Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the third part of the video where I wanted to show the throw of the fog lamps that I've installed. Okay, so the aux fog lamps. If you have not watched the first part, I'll leave a link to that in the description and you can have a look at that. So here are the lights from front. You can see that it won't blind the oncoming traffic that much. I maybe plan to put some yellow film on the lights so that further the white light further enhances to yellow one. So this is the view from the side of the car. I'll turn off all the lights, okay, and let me turn off the fog lamps also. Now let me turn the stock fog lamps on. This is the yellow light. The spread is like maybe around 20 feet ahead of the car. You can see those two pillars out there. So this is approximately the building pillars. So there's approximately 20 feet space. And now this is the aux fogs that I've installed. Yet not adjusted the fogs for their throw. I'll do that when it is completely dark out there. It's still not yet dark. So once it is completely dark, I'll adjust those. But this will give you a little idea of how much the light is. So when I'm cruising around at 60 to 80 at night, this is going to help me a lot. Let me take a clip from inside the car too. So I'm inside the car now, and let me turn on the pilot lights. Now the fog lights. So if you see the throw while sitting inside the car, now this is my vision. If you see that blue car on the left hand side, that one, the fog throw is only that much, which is around the stock fog lamp throw is around like 20 feet, which is way too less for me while I do night drives. So that's the reason why I added the aux. And let me turn on the aux now, and this is the throw. You can see the area that it is lighting up. See the wall on the front. This is how it is going to help me in the night ride. Let me turn on the headlights, and now along with that the fog lamps. So this is going beyond the headlights too. Maybe while I'm on the highway, on the Gujarat highway, I'll take a small clip that time too in complete darkness. It's close to 10 o'clock in the night. It's 9:45 now, and it's completely dark out there. So let's test the lights now. I'll first turn on the stock fog lamps, which are these. Okay, let me keep it here as a stable this thing. And now I'll turn on the aux, the HJG ones. You can notice the difference. Check the throw. Let me do it facing the car too. There's my EcoStar, and that's the aux. I guess I need to change the position a bit lower because I just now adjusted the light to let it reach the maximum length. So this must be like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, approximately 60, 70 feet to let it reach that much. But I now feel that it is hurting the eyes. In the camera I'm not able to make it out much, but if I view it with the naked eye, it is hurting the eyes. So I'll probably adjust this, but I hope you guys have understood how the lights are or what the throws are, what the throw is. half light, 1/4 of the upper light is still getting blocked by the bumper. So if that is cut or something, or that is lowered, it will be more sharper. So I just wanted to show you like how the light is, or what the light throw is. Let me block one of the stock ones. See, this stock one is blocked. Here is it. Okay, it's completely blocked. Let me block the other side. So this will just help you to understand what the throw of the light is. As I said, maybe I'll make another future, maybe make a view in future again once I'm on the road and once I'm on the highway, and show you how the actual throw is. So turning the headlights to once. This is the headlight. Now turning off the aux on. Here's the throw. So if you guys like the complete process, whatever I showed, whatever I did, please do hit a thumbs up. Please do hit the like button. If you like the process and you would like more content from me in future, do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and do share the video ahead with friends in Ford and or any car group or someone who would like to follow this procedure. So thanks for watching. This is Dipen from Pune.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más